respected chief guest, Sri Jayesh Ranjan Garu, guest of honor, Srimati Soni Bala Garu, and Your Excellency Gareth Wynne Owen. He had some emergency today, so he had to leave now. And friends from media and sports personalities, ladies and gentlemen, a very welcome to all of you. Today is a proud day for not only for Lifespan, for Hyderabad, for Telangana, and for India. We have gathered here to celebrate a champion who has made our nation proud on the global stage. Remarkable achievement at the ISSF World Cup 2026, winning a gold medal and creating a world record is a testament to what dedication, discipline, and determination can achieve. At Lifespan, we strongly believe that success is not built overnight. Whether it's building a company or an hospital or any sports ecosystem or becoming a world champion, the foundation remains the same. That is discipline, consistency, and commitment. These are the values which Isha represents, and these are the values Lifespan stands for. My own journey begins with a very simple dream. Over the years, we built Lifespan into one of the largest nutraceutical manufacturing in India and extended slowly into healthcare, sports, and social initiatives, and remained committed to improving lives through wellness and innovation. But today, I firmly believe that India's greatest opportunity lies in our youth, and sports is one of the most powerful ways to build discipline, leadership, and national pride. That is why Lifespan has continuously supported sports through multiple initiatives like basketball, rugby, cricket, golf, and other athletic development programs. Our vision is simple: to contribute towards building a healthier and strong India. Isha Singh is not only a champion shooter, she is a role model for all the youth of this country who dreams of achieving something extraordinary. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Government of Telangana for continuous support, encouragement, sports excellence, and youth development. The leadership and support provided towards sports infrastructure and athletic growth is helping create champions who proudly represent India on global platform. I would like to share a small example. When I want to do this event, I have just sent a small message to Jayesh Ranjan Garu, and believe me, within 30 seconds, he has responded back that I am there. So that is the kind of support we are getting today. And I would also like to tell you one more thing, that I knew at least 100 bureaucrats in this country, but I have seen one of the most dynamic bureaucrat and great officer is Jayesh Ranjan Garu. Thank you, sir, for being here. Coming back, Isha, on the behalf of entire Lifespan family, we congratulate you on this historic achievement. You have made India proud. You have inspired a generation, and we are honored to have you as our brand ambassador. We wish many other gold medals, many other world records, and an extraordinary journey ahead. Thank you all. Thank you for joining us.